How to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application LinkedIn. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. But if you're trying to verify with the persona, but you land on this interface which says that the persona verification is not working. So if you really want to fix this issue, then what you want to do is go back and head over to the site of linkedin.com and move into the contact support of LinkedIn. It will land you on this page. In this page, you have to provide some of the information. Enter your first name, last name, email address, issue type, and also select the subject. In the question section, you can enter the question that you want to ask, or you can also add the attachment file. Once you're done stating the issues, tap on Submit. Now within 24 hours, your issue will get fixed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.